What does $2 billion and 8 years get you in New York City? Welcome to the most iconic hotel revival the city has seen in decades. This is the Waldorf Astoria, New York.
We're giving you an exclusive first look at a meticulously restored landmark. And the glamour, the history, the smell, that signature scent is the 301 Park Avenue, and it's wafting throughout the entire hotel to launch you into a new era. This is Manhattan's only hotel with its very own porte-cochere. We're already feeling VIP.
This is the Park Avenue lobby of the Waldorf Astoria, and it has been restored to its former glory and grandeur. It is incredible. Above me is a glowing marble ceiling that hasn't been seen since the 30s, and below me, a mosaic tile called the Wheel of Life, which has 150,000 pieces in it and tells the story of humankind from birth to death. This place is unbelievable, but check-in does not happen here.
Check-in happens here now, in the library lounge. This feels more like a private club than a reception area.
Quiet, it's private, and it's draped in marble. Not only that, the uniforms of the staff are designed couture by Nicholas Oakwell, and these guys look chic. But it's not as chic as what you're gonna find when you go upstairs after you've checked in the guest rooms. Welcome to my one-bedroom Park Avenue View Premier Suite. And here we're in the living room. Immediately you feel a sense of calm and gorgeousness, muted tones that is signature Waldorf Astoria. Everything is classic but feels modern and beautiful, and this room in particular is just a place you're going to want to hang out. But through here it gets even better. The bedroom with this huge bed that I think I'm going to have to try out. Let's have a little bounce on. The softest frette sheets. This is the place you're going to want to be for the best night's sleep of your life. Continuing on into the bathrooms, where you'll find premium amenities from Aesop, the most amazing marble, deep bathtub, separate shower and toilet. This is a place where you're going to be very clean and very happy. Being in this room makes you realize that the rooms here are much bigger. Even the regular Deluxe Kings are rather large. And there's a reason for that.
The Waldorf used to have 1,400 rooms, but now they have just about half of that. That's exclusivity, and it shows. Most of the rooms exceed 570 square feet. That's pretty enormous. Let's talk numbers. So a standard room can go for about $2,000 a night, but a premium bedroom suite like this one can go for about $4,000 a night.
If you want to use your Hilton points, you can use them at the Waldorf Astoria here. However, the pricing is very steep. Standard rooms are going to cost you 800,000 points plus a night. And for a suite like this, it might cost you over 2 million points a night. Now, if you're sat on a huge stash of Hilton points, then maybe you're going to find great value by using your points for this. You're going to have an incredible stay either way. But find the best deal that you can out there, whether that's points or cash. You're not going to be disappointed when you come. Now, this is the funnest fact you're going to learn today. 24-hour in-room dining was invented right here at the Waldorf Astoria.
And we ordered breakfast. Nicky got the pancakes, and I got the Eggs Benedict, which was popularized right here at the Waldorf Astoria. Let's dig in. Hello?
Meet me at the clock.
Be right there.
This is Peacock Alley, central part of the hotel where 3 meals are served a day, and there is a beautiful bar behind. Now, Peacock Alley exists in every single Waldorf Astoria around the world, but this one is the original because in New York, it used to connect the old Waldorf and Astoria hotels, and the alleyway was designed to protect the elites of New York from the weather.
Behind me is the Waldorf Astoria clock. Originally crafted in London for the 1893 World's Fair, it is now the centerpiece of the Waldorf's identity once again.
Queen Victoria is staring down on me. Fun fact about this clock is that it shows the time on 3 sides, but on the back side that faces the bar, it always shows 5 o'clock, which means you can always have a drink, I think. And this is the Meet Me Here spot of the hotel.
And just in front of us, that's Cole Porter's personal Steinway, a one-of-a-kind piano he called High Society. It is back and fully restored.
And this is the place where you're going to find classic New York cocktails. I would recommend going for the Rob Roy because that cocktail is the one that was designed right here first at the Waldorf Astoria.
In the bites, from peaky oysters to pigs in a blanket to the iconic Waldorf salad, it's all been reborn for 2025.
Now, what about the comp set? There are other top hotels in New York like the Amma, the Plaza, the Peninsula.
But Waldorf holds its own. And what sets it apart is not just the luxury, it's the legacy. Every detail here has been obsessively restored to make it feel like New York's very own living room.
Now listen, if you want the inside scoop on the newest hotels, flights, points and miles and everything else, I would recommend signing up to the Points Guy newsletter. We'll pop a link in the description. We've made our way up to the Silver Corridor, which is probably the most epic corridor I've ever been in my life. And this connects the different event spaces. She's got much better memory than me. What are they called?
The Astor Salon, Jade Room, Basildon Room, and the Grand Ballroom, which will open this fall.
Now, I'm obsessed with the double-sized silver elevator doors here, which apparently are big enough from back in the day to let two girlies in their big hoop skirts get through. Should we go dance?
Let's do it.
Medha and I have taken a seat in Yoshoku, which is set in the Park Avenue lobby, spread across this gorgeous place. I can see the mosaics and the murals just beyond me. But the food here looks epic as well. Amazing drinks, and you're going to be able to have a tasting menu if you want it.
And we've just been brought a tray of sashimi, sun tuna tartare, nori chips, and jumbo prawns. I honestly can't wait to dig in.
Can we eat though?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
This is Lex Yard, a 2-level restaurant with a full-service bar downstairs, and it is by Chef Michael Anthony, who loves the concept of farm-forward dishes.
Well, I've got some of the food in front of me now, but the space itself is beautiful. There are textures everywhere. I was just told to touch and feel everything, and that is what you should do if you come. But while I dig into this stunning looking leek ravioli and also a poached halibut, I'm going to let Medha tell you a little bit about some of the folklore about this place.
So the name Lex Yard is actually a nod to the hidden track line, Track 61, which used to be a tunnel or passageway for dignitaries to come in and out of Grand Central. So it's really a nod to this urban legend, and it plays to the culture of New York City.
Good job. Do you want to eat now?
Yeah, let's do it.
Well, our time at the Waldorf Astoria is coming to an end, and hopefully we answered the question for you whether the 8-year wait was worth it.
For me, I was obsessed with the historic revival and the fact that we got a glimpse into 1930s New York.
It's all about the details for me. Every door, every stairwell is just oozing class and style, and those rooms are amazing. But really, you've got to check it out for yourself to decide if it's right for you, whether that's for a drink or you want to blow all your points on a night stay. Just do it and see you at the clock.